Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Multivan style in the long wheelbase. This vehicle features a 2-litre TSI petrol engine pushing out 204 PS. The vehicle also features a DSG Automatic gearbox for a more relaxing drive. This multivan comes in the metallic paint colour Indium Grey, and join me now as we explore some of the exterior features. Across the front of the vehicle, this van features the IQ Light LED matrix dipped and main beam headlights, including separate LED daytime running lights. The van sits on the 16-inch Dundrod black diamond turn surface alloy wheels with low resistance rolling tyres. Dotted along the rear bumper is a set of rear parking sensors which work with the front ones, allowing you to make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. Helping you achieve this, just above the rear number plate is a rear view camera system that displays in full colour. To the rear of the vehicle, this van comes with excellent amount of space in the boot area. It has a few lashing points. The space can be increased by moving the two rear seats forward. There is also a power stool shelf which takes a recommended weight of 20 kilograms. The van's tailgate, it has an automatic open and close function, giving a really nice quality of life feature. This van also features twin power sliding doors. With a simple press of the button, the door will open. Taking a look inside, this vehicle comes with some art fellers bi-colour cloth fabric, finished in the raven black and sand colour combination. Up front in the cab or cockpit, the van also features some extremely comfortable and similarly finished art fellers upholstery. There is plenty of leg space for the front passenger as well as the driver, along with a 10-inch colour touchscreen Discover Media Navigation System Pro. The vehicle also features a digital cockpit, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel.
This vehicle comes with minimum 1-year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or call us on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.